Do you hear that rain on the roof of an F-150 sitting up high looking out on the city? Me and you melting down something ice cold while we're heating it up and said a little joint straight or a little more timber cross. Don't matter to me, girl, I like it all. When you think about me and you falling in love like we are right now, how does it sound? Hey everyone, Blaze plays guitar lessons. I want to teach you how to play this awesome song that was requested. I didn't have to look at the lyrics for a lot of this one because it's just a song I know and love. So, but thanks so much for requesting it because I haven't taught a Dylan Schneider song, and this is a really good song, especially because I drive an F-150. I'm a Ford man. So, anyway, let me know if you are a Ford man or not in the comments, or girl, whatever. Anyway, so the song is in standard tuning and you don't need a capo, which is awesome. And so it's very easy to play. It's the same 4 chords over and over and over, okay? So I'm going to show you, you can do a couple different strumming patterns for this song, but there's nothing like, neither one of them are anything groundbreaking or difficult. They're both really, really, really easy, okay? Before I get into all that, thanks so much for watching. Please hit like and subscribe so you can get notified when I come out with new tutorials in the future. And thanks so much to everyone who has subscribed already. All right, now let's get into this song, okay? You are going to start with G. You'll be able to hear it as I'm playing, okay? G, then you're going to D. This is probably the easier G, but either one's fine. Easier and harder in the song for different reasons. So you're going to G, D, then E minor. This is like the most common chord progression ever, and then C. Okay? So when you start the song, you can I would just probably play it like down, 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 down. Okay? If you want, you can play it louder at the beginning. If you want to try and play it like he does, you can do. So you'll notice I add a little down, down, okay, when I'm switching, when I'm transitioning from chords. You don't have to do that. I just think it sounds better, and a lot of guitarists do it, but it's up to you in this song, okay? So this song at the beginning doesn't really have guitar like that, but where you're doing an acoustic version, you're going to want to do that. So you're going to want to be playing, you don't have to play it super loud, but you could just do that at least, okay, louder. Okay, so you're going to G, down, 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 D, down, 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 E minor, down, 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 C, down, 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 okay? So when you do that, I would go, or you can also palm mute it when you get into the verse, and that might be a really good way to do it, or you can just go softer, okay? Just like that. All right, so that's the super easy part. So where the chords go is where you go, how does it sound when I cross your mind when you, so you do how does it sound is where you do G, sound when I cross your mind when you're, okay, after your, like you are, when you're thinking, you do D. When you're thinking about us on a Friday night, are we? Okay, then after we, you do E minor. Black top burn spinning the tires, are we? Okay, so after we, you do C. Slow dancing to a G, a vinyl record or a mixtape. Then D, a cover band playing on Broadway. Then after Broadway, you do E minor before you start saying is it. Is it quiet in the background or is it? Okay, so you could do like a single strum like that, or you can do just kind of do like you don't have to do it louder. You can just do like a single strum, or you could do it like just kind of like that. Or is it turned up loud? I think it's better to do a little bit louder one because of the lyrics there, but it's up to you. Okay, you know, turned up loud. Do you hear that rain on the roof of an F-150? Okay. So you'll see the strumming pattern is different there. You can do the same thing. You could do you hear that rain on the roof of an F-150 sitting up high looking out on the city? Okay, you can do that. I think it will sound better and it's more fun to play if you do it this way. Okay, if you do you hear that rain on the roof of an F-150 sitting up high looking out on the city? Me and you melting down something ice cold. What's that? Down, down, up, 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 down. Okay, just like that. So that's how I would do it for the chorus and I would do the chorus louder. Down, down, up, down, down, up, down, down, up, down, down, up. Okay, a little bit slower. down, down, up, 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 down, down, up. Okay, so that's how you play it. All right. It's a very easy strumming pattern. And then if you want to, so when you do the post-chorus part, right after the first chorus, so it's kind of like the next verse, but you just go, so he's like, how does it sound? So you could mute it. It's not what he's doing or what they're doing when they play it, because they do like different strumming patterns for it, but for when you're playing acoustically, I would probably palm mute it. So put this part of your hand right here, and I would do, how does it sound? You can do the same strumming pattern, but you're just going to palm mute it, and it's nice to change the levels and stuff when you're playing acoustically. How does it sound when across? Let's see. How does it sound if we do something crazy? Then D for ditch. Ditch the crowd, get all alone, baby. Make some noise, make a soundtrack. Close your eyes, girl. Okay, then I would do C on close, but I would just do close your eyes, girl. Do you hear that rain on the roof of an F-150? Sitting up high, looking out on the city. Me and you melting down something ice cold. While we're hitting it up and said a little George Strait or a little more Tim McGraw. Don't matter to me, girl, I like it all. Okay, just like that. So that's how you play the whole song. When you end it, you can just end it on a G. Okay, how does it sound? How does it sound? That's C, and then you can just go to G. That's what I like to do. Anyway, I don't know if you guys have any questions or other song requests, just let me know in the comments. Thanks, it's been a lot of fun. See you next time.